So for this next part, let's go ahead and set up our Twilio account, and let's go and send an SMS out once we've got a new deal. Select Send SMS in Twilio, choose Twilio, choose SMS. You're going to have to sign in and go ahead and go and find your account SID and Auth token. Once you've added those in, press continue. You should have your Twilio account appearing here. Now select one of your Twilio phone numbers from this list. We've only got one. And then input the number where you want to send the message. So we're going to send this to ourselves. Remember, you need to put in the country code. And then the message in here. New deal closed. I'm going to keep this brief. It's going to be Adalo. And then completed by the rep. Actually, it's not going to give us the rep's name. It's going to give us a reference to the rep's ID. So we're just going to leave that one off. Okay, press continue. And what we can do, we can test and continue this. And as you can see on screen, we've got a test message through to our account with the appropriate details. So that's worked, which is great. And also you can see that the email came through as well with all those details. So now if you turn on this Zap, what's going to happen each time a new deal goes through, it's going to put the new record in the view. It's going to send an email to Gmail, and then it's going to send an SMS into Twilio. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is just one way that you can set up notifications. Obviously you can get as complicated or as simple with it as you want, but let me know if you need any help getting this set up. Hopefully it's going to be useful to add a couple of nice integrations into your process and make your lives a bit easier. Reach out at Tom Osmond inside of the Makerpad Slack or on Twitter at Tom Osmond also. Have a good day, speak to you soon. Bye.